So I found a use for our little pocket knife project from the other day. I don't know what else to do with this thing. So we will use it to remove our varnish. Paper test. Whoa. Alright, so this came out pretty good with the scrape. I'm going to chalk it up here in the vise and work on this handle a little bit more. In the previous video we put a nice edge on this and it is super sharp, looking good. Now I'm not going to spend some time and polish out this blade right here. There's a lot of scratches on it. It's a user knife. He's going to go right back to fillet and fish with it. And so I'm not going to spend any time on that. He did tell me that he had used one of these cheaters. I don't know if it was this one or not, but he did use this cheater. And you can tell that there was a lot of inconsistency in the blade compared to what you get on the Tech Studio. So that might be a little bit of clues as to why the blade was a little inconsistent. And some of the scratches that are on there could have come from that as well. So let's put this in the vise. It's time for the big reveal. Pop the top on our boiled linseed. Wow, look at that. I was worried that we lost some of the logo in the sanding, but I think It might have made it better. That looks great. All right. Eagle Run 2-3. Thanks for watching.